WhatsApp.
Software design and architecture of WhatsApp.
What is WhatsApp and how does it work? The first part is known to everyone, so let's jump to the second. Let's see what WhatsApp consists of. At the back end, we have Erlang, FreeBSD, Yours, LightPD, which are basically web servers compatible with Erlang, PHP, custom patches to Beam. Beam is like Java's JVM, but for Erlang. Custom XMPP. At the front end, we have 7 client platforms: iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, Nokia, Symbian S60, Nokia S40, Windows Phone, and SQLite.
We know that programming language is of vital importance for a software in both ease of understanding and efficiency of working. So, what language is used for programming a billion-dollar software such as WhatsApp? It is a programming language called as Erlang. If you didn't know, many other famous softwares such as Facebook and Amazon also use Erlang as their programming language.
Why does WhatsApp prefer using Erlang over other languages? Erlang is a general-purpose, concurrent, garbage-collected programming language and runtime system. It supports distributed, fault-tolerant, soft real-time, highly available, non-stop applications. It supports hot swapping, so code can be changed without stopping the system. The following implementations are helped by the language Erlang. WhatsApp can handle multiple activities concurrently, like fetching and sending multiple messages to multiple users from or to at the same time. WhatsApp has around 900 million active users per month, and it handles around 10 billion messages each day. That is a very high concurrency rate on the WhatsApp server, and the server handles them seamlessly without ever crashing. Often, application servers are rebooted because of system or code upgradation. This can be prevented in Erlang because it supports hot swapping, which means you can upgrade your code without your server application code having any downtime at all.
Moving on from the programming language, let's see what about WhatsApp architecture, which made it one of the most preferred chat software. The software protocol used in WhatsApp is called XMPP, which means Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol. WhatsApp uses a customized version of XMPP. XMPP is a communication protocol for message-oriented middleware based on XML. XMLL is a simple protocol that occurs over TCP, which is the Transmission Control Protocol sockets using XML language.
So this is how XMPP architecture works. A client with a unique name communicates with another client with a unique name through an associated server. Each client implements the client form of the protocol, where the server provides routing capability. Server can also communicate for purposes of routing between domains. Further, gateways exist for the purposes of translating between foreign messaging domains and protocols like SMS and STTP. As an extensible protocol, XMPP is an ideal backbone protocol to provide universal connectivity among different endpoint protocols. The XMPP gateway permits the termination of a given client-to-server session and the initiation of a new session to the target endpoint protocol, along with the necessary protocol translation.
Now let's see about the implementation of WhatsApp. A simple implementation of WhatsApp could be each user or device is represented as an actor. This is called the actor model implementation. This actor is responsible for handling the inbox of the user, how it gets serialized to disk, the messages that the user sends, and the messages that the user receives. WhatsApp is an application that is able to handle approximately 50 billion messages transfers a day. The main reason behind this popularity is the data processing of the message queue length, which is associated with a node which is being monitored. WhatsApp utilizes XMPP protocol where the queue is maintained and the messages will wait till the queue message is received by the receiver node. The notification is received by the sender when the message is received by the receiver. After the delivery of the messages are immediately removed from the server.
Let's see how conversation works in WhatsApp. First, the user A sends a message to user B. If the user A is not connected to WhatsApp server, the message stays in the local SQLite database or WhatsApp application. As soon as it connects to the internet, connection establishes and the messages will be sent. If the server successfully receives the messages, it sends an acknowledgement. Else, if no acknowledgement is received, then the client will keep retrying to send the same message. Once server receives the messages, it acknowledges. Then the server sends the messages to user B if he is connected, else keeps it in the database, and a notification is sent to the user B. When the user B's connection is made, Messages will be sent and delivered, and an acknowledgement will be sent to the user A. When the user B reads, user B's client acknowledges the server, and server read acknowledgement is sent to user A.
Let's talk about a thing everyone loves in WhatsApp, the group messaging. So, how does this work? The first time a WhatsApp group member sends a message to a group, the sender generates a random 32-byte chain key. The sender generates a random signature key pair. The sender combines the 32-byte chain key and the public key from the signature key into the sender key message. The sender individually encrypts the sender key to each member of the group using pairwise messaging protocol. For all subsequent messages to the group, the sender derives a message key from the chain key and updates the chain key. The sender signs the ciphertext using the signature key. The sender transmits the single ciphertext message to the server, which does server-side fan-out to all group participants. To know about its highlighted signs, look at the last slide.
We share a lot of information on WhatsApp. So what assurance does WhatsApp give to keep the privacy? First, WhatsApp uses a unique end-to-end encryption. WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption ensures only the sender and the recipient can read what's sent and nobody in between, not even WhatsApp. The messages are secured with locks and only the recipient and the sender have the special keys needed to unlock and read these messages. For added protection, every message sent has a unique lock and key. All of this happens automatically. No need to turn on the settings or set up a special secret chat to secure your messages.
Let's summarize what we saw till now. WhatsApp is programmed using the language Erlang.
WhatsApp works on the XMPP protocol.
It uses various keys and encryption to ensure privacy of messages.